The martyrdom anniversary of the first Shia Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, the cousin and son-in-law of the Prophet of Islam, was observed across the world with tremendous religious fervor. Mourners in Indian-controlled Kashmir held processions to pay tribute to one of the most revered figures of Islam and the intimate associate of the Holy Prophet. The speakers highlighted the lofty character of the Holy Imam and recalled his immense contribution to Islam.
Imam Ali was the closest companion of the Holy Prophet who was raised by the Prophet himself. He was an epitome of knowledge, wisdom, piety and righteousness. All his life he promoted equality and justice and also laid his life for upholding these values.
The participants said the entire life of Imam Ali is an example not only for Muslims but for the humanity at large. They praised Imam Ali for his unwavering loyalty to the Holy Prophet and the cause of Islam and Islamic unity. They said the Imam selflessly relinquished his right for the sake of unity of Muslims and to safeguard the principles of Islam. The speakers said throughout his life, Imam Ali promoted the divine mission of the Holy Prophet and established a society based on justice, liberty and equality that serves an example for all the nations even to this day.
As a ruler, Imam Ali was exemplary. After 1400 years, his mode of governance has been endorsed by the United Nations as a model for just governance. Today, when the world is grappling with conflict and injustice, the nations need to follow the teachings of the Holy Imam.
The participants also denounced the recent terrorist attacks in Afghanistan against a school and mosque, killing dozens belonging to a particular ideology. They termed the attacks as handiwork of enemies of Islam, carried out by those who want to stoke the flames of sectarianism and defile the spirit of Islam. Born in the sacred sanctuary of Kaaba, Imam Ali was fatally wounded in the great mosque of Kufa by the sword soaked in poison while saying his pre-dawn prayers on 19th of Ramadan. 2 days later, he breathed his last, leaving his followers and admirers in sobs. The participants hailed Imam Ali as supreme example of social justice the world has ever seen. They urged people to follow in his footsteps to ensure peace and stability, as well as promote unity among Muslims.